Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my soap making video. This is Helen from Moonlit Soapwork. Been a while since I upload any video. This I believe is the first video of 2021. So happy new year, and once again thank you for the support last year from all my viewers and all my Etsy shopper and all my customer who I met in person with the couple of craft show I actually did get to be in, as the situation last year was a little bit unique, so a lot of the craft show out there have been canceled. So fortunately I was able to do a couple toward the end of the year when things got a little better. So it was really always a great way for me to connect with my customer and get some direct feedback, and nice to see a lot of faces that come back to purchase. So miss you all if I didn't see you last year. Hopefully this year will be better, and we might end up seeing each other again in more craft show toward the end of the year. So today's soap, what are we making? Here's my lye water, here's my oil and lye water. My lye water have sodium latte in it, so that's basically a liquid form of salt, and it helped with giving me a harder bar. And since I use silicone mold, it helped the release when I'm unmolding. So here's the lye water, here's the oil solution. This is just my basic oil mixture, and it does have a little bit of mango butter in it. I do like mango butter. That's actually one of my favorite butter. So this one is mango butter. Okay, and as for scents, this batch is gonna be called dancing water because it's made with dancing water, as you can see here. See, dancing water. And this is by Crafter's Choice, and I love this scent. This one have a it's a very fresh scent, oceany, fresh, lovely water. And since it's a dancing water, we are going to go with blue. So that's 2 blue that I'm currently doing. Zoom it in a little bit. Okay, here we go. This blue right here is very pretty, as you can see, very shimmery and stuff. And this one is the Tidal Wave by Neutral Soap, one of my favorite micas company out there. It's been using them since the beginning of my soaping career, so I always love them. So this one, and it's a very pretty blue. And then this one is Brambleberries. They're mermaid, let's see, I think it's mermaid blue. This one is mermaid blue. Their logo fades very easily. I love this company, but their logo, their labels tend to fade a little bit fast. So when you get any product from them, put a scotch tape or some kind of packing tape right over the label to keep them from fading, hopefully. But yes, this is mermaid blue, and it's a very pretty mica, and it's kind of, it's a bluish, but we have a little bit of green tint. See this? This is gorgeous, right? Okay, so beautiful color also. And then right here I have some aquamarine blue for standby in case I feel like having a shade of deeper blue in any of these colors. So this is just aquamarine blue in a little shake bottle with some oil, and I shake it up because I always have a little bit on standby just in the bottle. Here we go. And then it's gonna have white, because when you do blue soap, the most important thing on this base right here is adding enough white. You could use, it's up to you to use what kind of white. I use titanium dioxide because that's just, I have good result with it, so this one's good. If you don't like titanium dioxide, you could use a white mica, so that will work too. And then just make sure you mix enough, because you don't know how much you need. Sometimes it doesn't look quite white enough, and then if the base isn't completely white before you add the blue, it's gonna come out green, obviously, because it's a yellow tint. Okay, so make sure you have enough white on hand to make sure the base is white. Okay, so having said that, I think we're about ready for soap making, so let's make some soap.